Now this is video, and you communicate, you talk about this. You describe about this resort in this video. Then we will we will upload other people.
Upload in YouTube.
Actually, Muzee, that Muzee to get who knows about this forest more. Yeah, I'm going to call it to come.
Whatever you know, you tell only.
Okay. So is it on?
You know this.
Is it on?
Yeah, it is on.
Okay. Yes,
Yes.
on. Okay, you delete some over there. Yeah, this is the Rainforest Lodge.
Yes.
Your way must go to Rainforest Lodge, and Rainforest Lodge, we have swimming pool, we have restaurant, we have accommodation, we have sauna, and also we do massage. And then if you need a guided nature walk, we also have a guide. Then if you need to go to zip lining, also can connect you. So Rainforest have a few animals. We have monkeys with 3 types. We have red-tailed, vervet, and mangabees. Then with the wild animals, we don't have this forest. I don't know why, but the forest is very okay. So we actually request people to come and see. And also
tell the address also. If someone want to come from Lugazi, how they will come? By which road? By which road? By which road they need to come?
this is the
How they
area.
will find this? Because some people doesn't know
Okay.
about the location.
Mabera Forest Lodge, she's get the highway to Jinja. So if you are coming from Lugazi, there's a signpost where there's Najembe, they sell chicken. Then you can branch from the right. Then from the main road to Rainforest, it's like 2 to 5 minutes. First trying to check and see.
Thank you very much.
अभी तुम जाओ थोड़ा सा उधर को घुमा के लाओ.
हेलो गाइस,
हाय 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 हाय.
ये हम रेन फॉरेस्ट में आए हैं और ये हमारे फ्रेंड हैं जो बताए आपको
सही कर रहा.
अगर इंडिया से आओगे तो आपको कहाँ से आना है. कंपाला युगांडा है कंट्री, और आपको एयरपोर्ट
एयरपोर्ट
एनटीबी एयरपोर्ट में उतर के आप लुगाजी आना. लुगाजी से फिर आपको ये एड्रेस मिल जाएगा.
अराउंड 10 किलोमीटर.
हाँ, 10 किलोमीटर में
फ्रॉम लुगाजी.
तो यहाँ पे स्विमिंग पूल भी है और एनिमल्स भी है, रेस्टोरेंट है, मसाज है.
एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर अदर पार्ट ऑफ दिस रेन फॉरेस्ट रिजॉर्ट.
यस.
यू कीप वाचिंग. ओके ब्रदर, अभी क्या करना?
हाँ,
अभी तुम ऐसा वो करो, बंद कर दो थोड़ी देर.
बंद नहीं, पॉज कर रहा हूँ मैं.
हाँ ठीक है, करता हूँ.